the health center of the Toronto Zoo.
It's a hospital for animals. And here's diagnostic imaging, and the imaging can even accommodate a polar bear over here. And this glass is radiation proof, so people can watch any kind of imaging that is occurring. That we're taking ultrasounds, X-rays, right here in the right.
It says a healthy zoo begins with preventive care.
Hydraulic examinations, the examination occurs.
And here today we had Kaldin, the red panda, male, 13 years, health examination. A radiographs, dental and cardiac ultrasound that was at 10 a.m. So here are the vets. Look at that. So interesting. Here they examine our patients, perform minor procedures and prepare our patients for surgery. And this is for surgery.
They perform various surgical procedures on both small and large animals.
Look at that. And they've written that we scrub for surgery at the sinks in the room behind, just like your doctor.
Model where you can show if you have a steady hand to perform any kind of surgery. So if you do something wrong, the red light comes on. See that? That means you don't have a steady hand. So let me try one more time.
Oh, that was good.
There. So this is for a bird. Then
this is for the fish surgery, for the brain, liver, spine, frog. That's for the wolf. Look at that. Here the water analysis is done from large aquaria to ensure that aquatic animals remain healthy. So, and look at the tools that are used to collect blood, fecal, urine and tissue samples from animals, much the same way as our doctor does for us. Here they've shown a gastrointestinal area of a zebra, which tells us that if undetected, one egg from a parasite could develop into a worm. Look at that. Terrible. This is pathology, blood tests, etc. Urine tests for any urine infection. This is parasitology. They run diagnostic tests on fecal samples. Even poop can tell us if an animal is healthy. This is where we check for parasites. This is for endocrinology, to analyze samples such as urine, fecal, saliva and blood for reproductive hormones. Somebody is actually at it. Some doctor there.
So this is the Health and Life Center for Animals at the Toronto Zoo.